IGTV. I just now finished filming that newspaper background thingy. Then I came up with another idea. So, okay, let's get straight to the point. So I came up with another idea, like how to click aesthetic pictures. So this is part 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have no idea. Okay, so yeah, let's go. Let's click some aesthetic pictures. For this one, I'm using flowers. I'm gonna tape this thing to my hand or hands. Let's see. I haven't waxed. This is going to hurt. Okay, so these double tapes are not working on my hand. It's just, okay, this one is here, but it's almost over. I am using black tape. I didn't want to use black tape on my skin because it's too hard, like it's too harsh. Some pictures with this Power Rangers hand. No, I'm gonna click some pictures, but again I'm gonna edit my picture with some butterflies. If you like the edit, then do comment down below, then I'll do a tutorial on how to add like butterflies or anything in the picture. Okay,
baby, you're a challenge. Let's explore your talent. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can go downtown with a girl like me. Hey boy, I really wanna be with you, 'cause you're just my type.
that was it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like the video if you guys like the video. Share the video if you guys like the video. Stay safe, wash your hands, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Ow. Wow, this can be used as like waxing strip. Okay.